Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone or reader supports NFC and that it's enabled. This matters because hardware and OS control low-level access. Once done, install or open a trusted NFC reading app so you can inspect tag contents. Make sure the tag is a compatible type like NFC or Ntag and place it on a non-metal surface to avoid signal loss. Position the phone's NFC antenna over the tag, hold steady, and wait for the app to detect the tag. You'll see basic info instantly. Next, you'll inspect the tag's contents and structure to understand what it holds and how to interact with it. First, read the UID and the NDEF records. The app often shows memory size and record types. If you need low-level detail, switch to hex view to decode raw blocks and compare with an NDEF parser to reveal text, URI, or MIME payloads. Make sure to check access flags and locked bytes so you don't attempt writes on a protected sector. This prevents accidental corruption. To finish, craft the NDEF payload that matches your use case, text, URI, or custom MIME, and write it with the app while confirming the record type. Once written, immediately verify by reading back on the same device and, if possible, another phone to confirm compatibility. If you require permanence, lock the tag only after verification. If the tag doesn't respond, check antenna alignment, ensure the app has NFC permissions, try a different reader or tag type, and avoid metal surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.